I love the Mastery of Miracles series. If you would have asked me 6 years ago what I thought a miracle was, I would have told you it was me getting to work on time. But now just seeing miracles in people's lives happen every day, it's just awesome. I just really felt like I wanted to share this with you guys because this series, it means a lot to me, and just being able to go out and operate in miracles in my daily life with my children and everything, it's just the greatest experience that you can have. And one of the names of the series is where there is great love, there is always miracles. And that just ministers to me every time I read that line, because you just see, whenever you feel the love of the Father, it just flows out of you and the miracles just come and it happens. So when you hear from God and you just do those miracles and you see people's lives changed every day, it's just awesome. And I just really want to encourage you to order this series and just go out and help a hurting world.